If you're a lover of lemon meringue pie, well, Thomas from Lindt has a fantastic little trick to enjoy chocolate with lemon meringue pie flavours. Yes, yes, yes.
We packed that all onto a piece of beautiful Lindt excellence. And it's really just to show how a piece of quality chocolate is actually a perfect little dessert as well.
This is new to me. I haven't seen this excellence with vanilla through it.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. Nice and mild, beautiful vanilla. That's very floral and elegant, luxurious as well. So take a piece of that.
Okay.
So for our lemon meringue version, I actually have some marshmallow fluff here. So that's a spread marshmallow.
Okay.
For the lemon part, I just got some lemon curd. So we don't want to overload it, but it's really just sort of like an elegant way.
Yep.
So lemon parts and then the marshmallow part. Look how nice and fluffy this is.
And if you can't find marshmallow fluff, you can just use your regular marshmallows and you melt them in the microwave.
Absolutely.
Yep.
So marshmallow on top. And then to really make this lemon meringue pie, we're going to torch the marshmallow. There we go. You can do this under the grill as well, but it really just needs like a couple of seconds just to toast the outside.
Oh, look at that.
And there we go. Oh, that marshmallow smells really good. Nice and caramelized. While you're enjoying this, we're going to take it into s'mores direction as well. So
That's delicious.
just the marshmallow fluff. Go a little bit more generous with this one. Again, give that a quick torch.
I really taste the vanilla in that chocolate.
It's so good. It really just balances all out.
And it goes quite nicely with the lemon there. The lemon just cuts through the richness of it all. It's very nice.
Good combination. Then for this one, we just put a little bit of biscuit on top of it as well. And then you get that sort of combination that you actually get in the s'mores.
Oh, s'mores, they are so popular, aren't they? Especially with the kiddies.
And so easy as well.
Lemon meringue pie and s'mores. Cheers.
Chocolate heaven.